Yeah, so we're just ripping back along the front, and this is basically where parking at Ladies Mile can take you. I'm facing it. Yeah, so basically Caroline's goofing around in front of me, and she's goofing around and I thought I got the camera pointing this way, but yeah, so from Ladies Mile, not yeah, probably down here in 25 minutes, and pretty impressive. So yeah, it's all good. Onward. Checking out the surfers surfing. Not too many waves at the moment, they're all like waiting now. Yeah, so we were torn with the boathouse or the pub up on the hill, so we're just going to check out this one first and see what this is like. We were worried whether it was open or not, but we think it's open, so we're going to go and see what the score is. Excuse me, mate, is this the boathouse? Excuse me, mate, is this the boathouse? Doesn't look like he's talking to me. Yeah, so we just come into this boathouse and we're just getting a couple of little snacks on, and we just went for these cheesy nachos and got some chips on the side and some very nice drinks with a view, and it's all looking pretty darn cool. Very, very tasty. Oh, it's cold down here. We're just leaving the boathouse. Oh. Yeah, so we just entered the Mount Pleasant Inn. I've got to be careful because I've got me, they got music playing, copyright claim straight away. But great view from up here. There's some amazing tables down through, looking right down through Dawlish Warren. Just made it back to the gate, and we're just about to descend on Ladies Mile. Right guys, I've just installed my little light that I was showing you guys earlier on. So this is in my electrical box now, so I'm going to have a little look. So my water tank's in here in my electrical box. Let's see what happens. Open the door, comes on. That's perfect. Nice. Shut the door. In a minute it will go off. Amazing. Yeah, I've just come down to the pool area, the main part of Ladies Mile, and they have got, just having a quick look around, they got a information centre here, they got laundrette, and just looking up here, there's the Oceans Bar and Restaurant up there. Down through here, they've got a arcade, indoor pool gym, salon, barber. Looks pretty impressive, to be fair. Totally out of season at the moment, 9th of January. So they're doing a lot of maintenance around the park and stuff, so which you've got to understand, they've got to get everything geared up for this year. And yeah, it's coming up on the patio area. It's lovely up here, I must admit that. So you can get your drinks in here. They've got pool tables all the way up through. Just having a little gander around. Yeah. And from where we're just up the end of this meadow. A couple of VW vans came in last night. So yeah. Looks. I just come down. I didn't know whether I didn't know what the situation was with the shop, but they've got a express shop by the looks of it here. So obviously, yeah, totally Sunday morning in the middle of January. It's not. But yeah, stunning morning this morning, absolutely stunning. Yeah, sun's coming up. think they have a lot of entertainment as well. They have quiz nights, look, entertainment stuff, people singing and stuff, yeah, kids entertainment. Yeah, we were actually saying last night, it was an absolute quality find for us, to be honest. The walks from here are just amazing. Scenery is just out of this world. And you always like to get somewhere and just sort of start bedding in and start thinking about the, yeah, we could have been on into Dawlish, maybe a little bit further on the coast that way. So it's a cracking little find, yeah, definitely. So if you want to come down and investigate the area that we investigated yesterday, and that's the boathouse bar that we were to last night. We had some like nachos and we had some food in there, and it was just like really good. And it wasn't that kind of like busy. It was fairly busy, but not majorly busy. So fair play to them on a bit of quality food as well, and some beautiful drinks. Amazing. Yeah, just noticed on one thing I've never sort of like noticed before on some of these holiday parks: pet friendly. Bring your dog to Dawlish. Your lion, your cat, your elephant. Yeah, it's a different morning this morning, definitely.
Looking at me, told me I've been cheating on her in her dreams.